Hi everybody, and welcome to my Ciao Bella Flower Shop mini album flip through. I have designed this album for Scrap and Create. There is a full tutorial series available. It will be linked in the description box below. All of the supplies that I am using from the Ciao Bella collection, as well as the 49 Market Flowers, can be found on the Scrap and Create website. They are all linked in the description box below, so you can just click on those links, purchase all of your supplies, and follow along with the tutorial. Also, before we get into the video, this album here that I have created will be available for sale. So if you're looking to purchase a completed album where you can just place your photos inside, this is going to be available to you. So don't forget to check out the link in the description box if you would like to purchase the completed album. This album measures 7 inches by 8.5 inches, and it has a 2 3/4 inch spine. Now here is a look at the back side as well. This album is a little bit different from the other albums that I have made so far, and I like to try to do something a little bit different in all of my albums. Now this one is made to feature waterfall pages, so I'll show you the inside pages in just a moment. I do have some flowers here just for added dimension on my cover, but if you like your flatter covers, you don't have to put these. The cover is completely covered without those flowers being there. And I just have a few of the metal corners that come with the collection when you purchase everything from Scrap and Create. Now opening this album up, you will see it has 4 pages, but they are a waterfall, so all the pages progressively get larger. On the inside front cover here, I have a little tiny tag with one of the charms from Scrap and Create. It can be used for journaling or as a small photo spot. I've made a lot of ribbon closures here. This opens up, so there's room for a photo, and anything that goes over top of the area for photos is open for the photo to slide behind it. Now in this pocket here, I have 3 small photo mats. All of my photo mats are completely covered with paper. I did have enough for the entire front and back sides of everything to be covered, and I do have some leftover papers and scraps, so I could make more for this if I wanted to. In here I have a large pocket, and I have a booklet that I've made. Room for 2 photos. These are open, so the photo can slide behind it. And then on the back side, you could place another photo here if you would choose to cover that paper. Now on this first page here, this page is meant to hold wallet-sized photos. I love to use wallet-sized photos, and I would love to hear from you if you use wallet-size or traditional photos in your mini albums, just so that I have an idea of what sizes I should be putting in these albums. So this is completely covered, so I expect to put photos in all of these spaces and then have that decorative paper there. Now once this is open, it actually opens this way. Again, room for photos here. You could place photos over top the decorative papers, but my intention is to be able to have photos and to be able to see the decorative papers whenever you're using your albums. And then in this belly band, I just have some of the cut aparts here where you could do some journaling or you could add some smaller photos. Each of the 4 pages is a pocket page, so I have a photo mat here, just a thin one. You could place wallet-sized photos here, 2x2s or 3x3s would fit on there. The photo mats do hang out of the pocket just slightly so that you do know that they are there, but they don't actually hang out of the album itself. Now flipping over to the back side of page 1, this is magnetized, and I have created a waterfall with some of the journaling cards. So there is plenty of space here for your wallet-sized photos. You can put 8 wallet-sized photos just on this waterfall itself. So a lot of space there. Now on page 2, it's a ribbon closure here, and I have a booklet that has lots of photo space. So this one actually flips up, room for a photo, and it flips down, room for a photo. And then here in the middle of the page, this frame is open, so a photo will slide underneath, and you can place a photo here as well. Then this flap opens up And there are 2 tags in this pocket. I did use some of the charms that are from the collection whenever you purchase from Scrap and Create. And then this one, again, you can place a photo here if you want to, but I like to see the decorative paper, so I personally would just leave that one open so you can see the paper. Now in this pocket, we do have another photo mat. You can place a photo here, a wallet size photo, or you can trim down a 4x4, and then you'd have space here for 2 more photos. On the back side of the page, we have a pocket here, and I've just put a couple of the cut-aparts, and I backed this one so you could use that as a small journaling card. Now there is actually plenty of room in this album where you could put some ribbons on all of your tags and you would still be able to have it fit in the album. In this pocket up here, I have 2 of the cut-aparts. I did add the butterfly here just to give it a little bit of dimension. I thought that was cute. Now this page is magnetized, so it opens up this way, room for a photo here. And then in this belly band here, I have a booklet. These are open so that the photos can slide behind. And then you can place a photo on the back side as well. On page 3, this is magnetized. It opens down, and down here I have a pocket with some of the cut-aparts from the collection, and then room for a photo here. Then this ribbon holds the page closed, so it will flip up this direction, room for a photo here. And then it will flip down, again, room for a photo here. And then in the center of the page, we have some photo mats underneath the belly band. Now we have a photo mat here in the pocket. You could place a photo here over top of the flower shop photo and you would still be able to have some of the decorative paper showing too, or you could leave this blank and place your photos on the back side. On the back side of the page, we have another ribbon closure that will hold this book together. So this folds out this direction, room for a photo. This is open for the photo to slide behind. And here again, we have another one of those frames where the photo will slide down underneath. And this side is open, so you would be able to slide your photo in from this side. Then behind this, I have a photo mat here. This is actually a pocket and it's not a belly band. I've just got a slimline photo mat there, room for some photos. And then this page opens up and we've got a pocket here with some of the cut apart pieces in it. And then this flap here, got another little set of some tags. You could place photos here if you choose. This opens up and then room for photos here. And then this is open so photos can slide behind it. Now on page 4, I have this holding everything closed on the page. It is magnetized, so this little thing just flips down. The first thing that you will see here is this butterfly is a pull tab, so you can open this, room for some photos or from some journaling right in there. And then these are on a swivel, so you can swivel this and you can place a photo here. This is open, and you can swivel this next one, and we've got another photo spot here, and then one more time, and then we've got this image here. Now you could place a photo in here if you choose to do so, or you could just leave that pretty decorative paper. All of these swing back, this will hold it in place, and then finally there is a large belly band on the page, and there is a photo mat here. This just has a tag tucked into it. You can place a photo there, and then you can place a photo here as well. In this pocket is the largest photo mat. This is open, so if you choose to place a photo here, you can tuck it under, and then on the back side, you can place larger photos. Now for the back side of the page, I have a pocket here first. It has two smaller tags with the charms on it. And then I do have two more in here of the larger cut aparts where you could journal or you could add your photos. Then this ribbon holds the larger part of the page closed. So opening this up, we have over here a belly band with a little photo booklet here. And there is plenty of room here where you could place more inserts underneath of this if you wanted to. And then here we have a flap that flips open. And this is another one of those frame pieces. So the photo will slide behind it. And then room for a photo here in the center. Now on the back cover, I have a magnetized closure, holds this flap closed, and I just have a booklet similar to the one that I did for the front cover, just a larger booklet for photos. You could also place a photo there. And then there is more room in this pocket where you could place more photo mats if you wanted to do so. So this is it for my Ciao Bella Flower Shop mini album. This was designed for Scrap and Create, so a special thank you to Scrap and Create for providing all of the Ciao Bella papers and the beautiful 49 and Market flowers that I am using in my album. There is a full video tutorial series available for this album, so I will link that in the description box below if you would like to create your own album. All of the products that I've used from the Scrap and Create website are also linked, so you can always click on those to purchase all those supplies to follow your tutorial. And then don't forget, if you want to purchase this completed album, you can follow the link there to go to my website to purchase this and just go ahead and place your photos inside. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.